sokire eryo gusuguma eserikali kubatana na kuru ase esukuru y'oboroso asekerie buna nigo ekoba usendi ngo bagwetera amakong au buna omubaro moke bwaborokia engeri enke na yande amange boigo nigo bamente goteba buna nigo bakurwa okubo usenigo bakurwa bokoreri guchiase omubaro monene bwaborokia chinga ke serikali etari kubategerera na gotegerera Ekerero Ki'Abaorokia na kubasira.
So today, we are standing in solidarity with our colleagues in the country, trying to address our demands, which are the nitty-gritties in JSS. The government, we want to applaud the government, and more especially His Excellency, the President, William Samoei Ruto, for having given us 46,000 JSS teachers confirmation letters for our teachers. But there is more which is in the pipe that is not yet addressed. As JSS teachers, when we talk about autonomy, we are talking about the JSS teachers who are demotivated. Despite of the fact that we have the job, the environment where we work, there is a lot of confusion, there is a lot of friction from our counterparts from the primary wing.
It is becoming a challenge when a teacher of English is told to teach something like mathematics, creative arts, something you are not taught in college. Myself, I am a teacher of English and I have taught mathematics. Right now, I'm teaching integrated science. Integrated science has physics, a subject I dropped at Form 2. How am I supposed to teach that?
We are asking the government and the ministry to give us a clear career guideline progress. Where are we? After C2, after C3, where are we? Are we going to be head teachers of these schools? Or are we going to be the principals of this school? Kindly give us a clear guideline. We work as we know our hierarchy, where we are going to.